I was making a video for a project when I saw an old lady standing in the corner watching us. At first, I wasn't sure what she wanted, but as she came closer, I saw the curiosity and the happiness on her face.
You want to ride?
Am I allowed?
What?
Am I allowed?
Am I allowed?
While talking to her and seeing her interest, I asked her if she wanted to take a ride. She could not believe that. Once she sat in the car, she was so excited like a little girl in the candy shop. If this video made you smile, please like and subscribe the channel for more videos.